guys, Aubrey here, back with another video, and today, I'm going to be giving away an orange short wrist for May. Oh, I did not mean to put that on. Well, it's a May giveaway, so you know what that means. I'm going to be giving away this orange short wrist right here. Now, if you want to enter in this giveaway, you gotta sub and like. I will be looking. You gotta put your user, your status, non-member or member, and your favorite thing about May, like your B-Day or your favorite weather. I don't know if it's gonna be good or not. And yeah, and then after that, you will be entered. And by the end of May, I will be choosing the winner. And if you're the winner, you're going to get that orange short vest. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you had fun, and I can't wait to see who's going to enter. Bye!